In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your pet into a human using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a fun and creative AI trick that lets you upload a photo of your pet, write a clear prompt, and generate a realistic human version inspired by your pet's features. Whether you want to create a unique profile picture, a funny comparison, or just experiment with AI image generation, this method is fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. If you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips and creative guides. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Once you're in, look for the option to upload an image. This is important because the AI needs to see your pet photo before it can transform it into a human-style character. Click the Upload Image button, then choose a clear photo of your pet from your gallery or files. For the best result, use a well-lit image where your pet's face is easy to see. The more visible the expression, fur pattern, and pose, the better ChatGPT can understand what to recreate. After your image is uploaded, the next step is to write a clear prompt. The prompt is what tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of transformation you want. A strong prompt will give you a much better result than a vague one. For example, you can type, "Turn this dog into a realistic human character. Keep the same expression, hairstyle inspired by fur, cinematic lighting." This gives the AI clear instructions about style, personality, and realism. You can also customize the prompt if you want a different look. For example, if you want a more elegant version, you could say, "Turn this cat into a stylish human with soft features and fashion photography lighting." If you want something playful, you could ask for a cartoon-style human version with matching colors and personality. The key is to mention the pet type, the style you want, and any details you want preserved, such as expression, pose, or mood. Once your prompt is ready, submit it and let ChatGPT generate the result. Depending on the image quality and the complexity of the prompt, you may get one or more variations. Take a look at the output and see whether it matches the look you imagined. If it doesn't, don't worry. You can refine the prompt by adding more detail, like realistic skin texture, studio lighting, full-body portrait, or matching animal traits translated into human features. If you want a better result, try experimenting with different prompts. You can change the age, outfit, background, emotion, or art style. For example, you could make your pet into a celebrity-style portrait, a fantasy character, or a professional headshot. This is where the creativity really comes in, because the more specific you are, the more unique your final image will be. After you're happy with the result, simply download the image and save it to your device. From there, you can share it on social media, use it as a fun meme, or keep it as a creative keepsake. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to turn your pet into a human using ChatGPT by uploading a photo, writing a clear prompt, customizing the details, and downloading the final image. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy AI tutorials and creative editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.